The internet connection is slow, sir, so it's loading. So if we can scan this QR code, if the internet is good, it will show the medicine we want, and we can easily show this to the medical shop and we can buy that. So there is no need of any, for the small cases, they will have fever, cold, and they will just go and visit the doctor. So the doctors are more needed so that they can use this virtual doctor. And then I have the heartbeat reading sensor, sir. It's there in its hand.
Can I test?
Yeah, you can hold it, sir, but little bit hold it. You can just hold the sensor, sir. You can just hold its sensor. No, you no need to hold its hand, sir. You can just hold the sensor only. Like this. 1 minute. So that I will click this. It will read your heartbeat like just 1 to a minute. I told you the battery level is low, sir.
What's the meaning of one?
One means it will read the heartbeats per 10 seconds. I have coded this like that, but it's not detecting.
Not detected.
Oh, this shit. 1 minute, sir. I'll just.
Can try again.
I want to try that again.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
Some problem is this. So shall I? My team is to automate the hospital environment. So that I have made some things to automate the hospital.
That's been 2-3 projects.
4. I mean, I combine this 4 project as a one project. Like my team is to automate the hospital environment. So that I have combined this all and I have made a one project. Okay. So the people who will come to donate the blood, maybe they have drink some alcohol, so it will be very injurious to the person who take that blood. So before that, they can just find like this. If they will blow like this.
Alcohol.
Yeah. It detected.
I detected.
That's what this hand. Sir?
If I put water, may detect water?
No, sir.
No?
This is gas sensor. It will detect the gas, but I have particularly coded this as alcohol. So
I want to know. You use it or another people try to use it. Okay.
It won't detect water, sir. Sometimes it will detect the gas,
Yes.
LPG gas. If you show, it will detect.
What is the next?
Next one, I have the phone sanitizing system, sir. 1 minute, sir. So little bit you can move backward. Okay, thank you, sir. Sir, now it's off, sir. Now if I show my mobile in front of this, it will open, so that I will keep this here. So I don't have the lids. So see this, that's on. The relay pin have on, and I have kept an humidifier here. The use of this is convert the liquid form into the gaseous form, so that I can use this kind of sanitizers and sanitize these mobile phones. Like I'll change the sanitizer, now it's in liquid form, so that I will change it into gaseous form and I will give it to the mobile phone, so that before entering the hospital, the phones of the persons will be get sanitized. So that's this.
This is for clean the mobile.
The mobile, they have small things like watch, mobile phones, purse, something, etc. And
It's work now?
sir,
Nothing.
Now it's closed, sir. I have missed the lid while I'm traveling. I have developed this glove, sir. This is a gesture control glove, but I have some issue in this Bluetooth module. Everything is working than this Bluetooth module, but the use of this is I have used 4 flex sensor here, sir, so that the patient who can't talk, they will be in the bed, so they can't ask they need food, they need to go washroom, they need water, so that they can just wear this in their hand and they can just you ask to the doctor, someone in the hospital using their hand gesture.
Right? Test.
Yeah, so that I have tried, but the Bluetooth module is not connecting with your mobile phone. Sir.
What is the next?
Next one, this one, sir. I have. IP address for this ESP32. So I will press the reset button. I'll just go. We can see it, sir. So I have the number 2 patient. So if a person entering inside the hospital, we can give these cards to them. Now, for example, you just coming to the hospital. Now your patient number 2, I'll just give you this card. You can hold it, sir. So without consulting the doctor, if you scan. Without consulting the doctor, if you scan this, it won't open, sir. It's not open. So if I press, if the doctor press here, the patient number 2. 1 minute, sir. I just reset it. Now you can scan, sir. Till now it's working, sir. Patient number 5. This is an just I will say you, sir. This is an RFID scanner. The name of this tag is. So I have this is an RFID receiver. This is a transmitter. So each of these cards have different IP address. So I have connected this ESP32 with the USB cable with my laptop, and just open Arduino IDE and scan each number of these cards.
Okay, what it will be happen if I scan this? After
So
that?
earlier,
Scan it, what is the next?
the medicine will be inside these boxes, sir. So without the permission of the doctor, the patients can't take the medicines. First, the patient will go and visit the doctor. After that, if the doctor tells that this patient wants the medicine, it will open. Else they scan that, it won't open. That's what, sir. Then I have started doing this, sir, but I don't have time while coming this law. Before 1 week only I start making this.
Making these many projects, you can make only one project and do it thoroughly.
I understand.
Documentations, presentations.
I have made it this particularly for some kids will be there in the hospital.
Good for the competition. You can make these things, but for the competition you should make one all.
This one very important.
I have made this very big size so that some kids will be there in the hospital. They have admitted, their parents will be not with them. So if there are many assistants like Google Assistant, Siri Assistant are there to talk, but they don't get the feel like they're talking to someone. So if we talk to this, it also has some hand movements like this, and it has some interactive.
You know how much the price? Assistant?
Yeah.
$1 million.
Yeah, I have seen this in the internet.
You can prepare the same thing. This one. Scientific and engineering.
What's that?
prepare a lot of things. Your presentation very nice. I think in the future I will see you professor in the university also.
Thank you, sir.
I think for me, your one project is better than.
I understood, sir. You're coming to tell that I have made lot of projects, but instead of that, I have put this effort and one
It's a
project.
very good idea, and you must make presentation, documentation, because for each thing we
10
have
marks.
points.
Understood, sir.
Your presentation, okay, very nice, 10.
Okay.
Your documentation, I didn't find. The implementation, I saw there is, but I think your idea is very good.
But if you are coming for a competition, then you should be specific for sure.
Okay.
And that will be completely legit.
I
It's
like
not
your
necessary
work.
to present 3-4 products. It will not go ahead. You should present
I
one
have
project,
made in the
but with all documentation. Okay?
I have made in the theme, ma'am, automate the hospital environment, so that I think so. In the hospital there are lots of things, so that
We have future.
Next time, whenever you are
Next
doing
time
for
we
any
will do
competition,
better.
you can
I
go
think
that.
it's better than this time. And
Okay,
this
sir.
idea is very good. You can develop more
please.
for assistance. I show you.
Yeah,
$1 million.
sir, sir.
You can try to have something like that. Going and moving.
It can't
and,
work, sir, but it have the Bluetooth control.
can do that.
We have the Bluetooth control, sir, but it can't walk. It can roll like a car rover, something.
Good job. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir. Do you have any questions to ask to me, like about this? Any other questions?
I know. You explain everything.
Is it?
Shashi, I understand your presentation very nice.
Okay, sir.
Good job. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.